This is Scatola del Tempo's Valigetta 4 luxury watch case made in leather. It's beautifully presented in a card outer box. Then it has a velvet cover, which just comes off. There's a polished clasp to the front, which is nicely solid. There are a range of colours available, so that's the dark brown, and we have the black as well, and the taupe. So they're all arranged the same way inside. If we look at the black example, see the cushions fit snugly into their holders. So we just fit a watch onto one of these holders. Slides into place, and then you can push it. It's sitting snugly inside the holder. And then if you look in the top of the lid, which is also leather lined, there's a roundel, and these fit over the top of the watch crystal to protect the watches and keep them in their place. Clasp closes securely, and you'll see it's soft leather to all sides of the case. And then it's stitched along the edges.